this as my pot. Ah! Hey everybody, it's Lady Led. I am getting ready to get some yard work done. Whew, cause we got some wild stuff going on in this yard and I don't even mean any pun, it's for real. Before I can even get started, I've got some things I need to dig up, stuff that's growing where it shouldn't be, stuff that is just amazing, but if I leave it where it is, it's just gonna get swallowed up by weeds. No need to let this go to waste. Might as well cook up. Might as well have a meal, right? Well, now I know what happened to my lemon balm. It used to be in a pot. And I think I know why it's not in a pot anymore. But guess what? I think I can dig it up. What y'all think? I feel like I got a good handle on the majority of the roots. I can just get this into a pot. Yes, we saved it. We saved it. I gotta put some more dirt in the bottom of this pot for it to be official. Look at that. It almost looked like a yard again out here instead of a jungle. I'm telling you, even with all hands on deck, we still ran out of time, but we almost there, almost there. Sometimes things just get out of control in the garden, and that's okay. You just harvest what you can harvest, dig up what you can dig up, and keep it moving. It took all three of us to get the yard almost done. We got a little bit more to do. We'll continue, you know, doing what we can do each day. But for the most part, a few things that I did get taken care of. I'm really glad I got that taken care of. I'm so glad I rescued my lemon balm. So glad, so glad, because I'm going to be putting that in smoothies and making teas and doing all kind of good stuff with that. So anyway, it's Lady Led. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Yes, it's like in a new pot.